What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? Chupacabra. People describe it as some creepy dog like creature because it is a dog. I once saw a coyote on a trail cam that looked absolutely cursed. Not sure if it had rabies or just some illness, but it looked like something straight out of a horror cartoon. I can totally see how someone would look at that and go, yep, that's a chupacabra. The so called Battle of Los Angeles. Just 2 months after Pearl Harbor, the US military was in full on panic mode. One night, they opened fire on what later turned out to be a weather balloon. Afterwards, officials acted all mysterious and evasive because A, wartime paranoia, B, they didn't want to admit they had shelled their own city trying to down a floating balloon. Crop circles. People still whisper about aliens mowing art into wheat fields, but nowadays, folks literally hold competitions to make them. It's just fancy lawn art on steroids. My grandma started losing her eyesight because of glaucoma about 20 years ago. That's when she began seeing ghosts. The clearest one was her late husband. She swore he was lying in bed beside her, but she wasn't into anything mystical. She told both us and her doctor about it. Turns out her brain was just trying to make sense of blurred shadows and shapes. It grabbed familiar images from memory to fill the gaps. Wrinkled bed sheets and pillows became her calm, familiar husband. Honestly, this makes so much sense. I think it explains like 98% of ghost stories out there.